transients. So I will go with the resonance first. I will go with resonance first. I will send you this material. This is simple in handwritten paper, handwritten. Okay. What are the formulas in series resonance, parallel resonance? You can see some graphs are there. Only first page formulas, second page problems. Okay, direct formula substitution. How the problems will be there. And this is the same formulas one more time. It is repeated. You can analysis. Next, what are the possible problems? First two pages are simple direct formulas. This is in short. Okay, all complete resonance in 6 pages. Handwritten 6 pages I am giving you. Okay, what are the possible things? Then I am having some more detailed material. Okay, that also you have some graphs. Together you put them, and wherever graphs are there, if you see parallel resonance, draw these graphs. Whenever you see the heading parallel resonance, draw these graphs. You will get some marks. Then anti-resonance or parallel resonance, they are the one and the other name. Other name for parallel resonance is anti-resonance. And this is a model circuit, how the circuit will be in parallel resonance, what are the possible formulas and questions. Okay, so this is somewhat additional material for the same resonance portion. Okay, so slowly I will discuss and show you the possible questions. In series resonance, you can just a single formula is there. In series resonance, we have a single formula for um, resonant frequency. This is called resonant frequency. Series resonant RLC circuit. Series RLC circuit. What is the resonant frequency? 1 by 2 pi root LC. Okay. In parallel resonance. In parallel resonance, there is a single formula for resonant frequency. It is 1 by 2 pi root LC into square root of RL square minus L by C, RC square minus L by C. L by C. These two formulas you have to remember. If series RLC circuit comes, directly apply the formula. Take the L value, C value, R value not required. Take the L value, C value, put it here, calculate the resonance. Okay, and you can see these are the graphs. Okay, voltage of capacitor, voltage of inductor, voltage of resistor graphs. Now the capacitor voltage will be maximum at FC frequency. Inductor voltage will be maximum at FL frequency. Resonant voltage will be maximum at resonant frequency. Resonant frequency already we calculated. Now this FC will be less than F naught. FL will be greater than F naught. So these are the formulas for F naught, FC and FL. Okay. So FC is the frequency at which voltage of capacitor is maximum. FL is the frequency at which voltage of inductor is maximum. What is that frequency where that VC maximum? What is that frequency where that VL maximum? These are the formulas. Once or twice you have to write the formulas and see. In paper you have to write and see, only then it will store in mind. Okay. So these three formulas you have to remember in series resonance. This is resonant frequency. This is frequency at which V maximum will come. Frequency at which VL maximum will come. This is VC maximum, VL maximum. Okay. Now the other graphs, the voltage in phasor diagrams in resonant frequency. So in resonant circuit, okay, at F equal to F naught, the VR and supply voltage across the resistor and supply voltage, they are in phase. They are in phase. For all frequency less than F naught, current is leading the voltage. Current is leading the voltage because current comes on positive x-axis, and the supply voltage is in the fourth quadrant. So this I is leading the V. I is leading the V, and VC minus VL will be on negative x-axis, y-axis, negative y-axis, and VL will be on the positive y-axis. Okay, VC negative y-axis, VL positive y-axis, and VR is positive x-axis. Okay, so this is about all the story. F less than F naught. F greater than F naught means I and V are on the same. I and V are on the same. V is in the first quadrant. V in the fourth quadrant for F less than F naught. V in the first quadrant for F greater than F naught. Rather than concentrating all these discussions, whenever you see series resonance circuit, draw all these 6 graphs. So this first 3 graphs, next 3 graphs, 6 graphs for series resonance circuit by heart. Once or twice, three frequency formulas and 6 graphs I am telling you. Three frequency formulas and 6 graphs I am telling you in the case of series resonance. And parallel resonance, one resonant frequency formula. One resonant frequency formula, and then again 6 graphs are there. Here 3 graphs, 3 graphs. Okay, 6 graphs are there. And these 6 graphs, whenever you see parallel resonance, draw the 6 graphs, write the frequency formula. Okay. So some marks you will get. There is possibility of clearing. So these are the formulas related in series and parallel resonance. Now coming to formulas, what we will do? Formulas you see here. This is RLC, series RLC circuit. This is R value, resistance. This is L value, inductor. This is C value, capacitor. RLC series circuit is given. All the values are given. R value 5, L value 5, and C value also 5. What they are asking, the current I in the phase is in phase with voltage V. Okay. So V is sinusoidally shown. The ratio of VC by VR. Ratio of VC by VR. Same current is flowing. Same current is flowing. Okay. So VC means how you calculate voltage in the capacitor. How you calculate voltage in the resistor. Okay. How you calculate voltage in the resistor. I into R is voltage in resistor. Capacitor is 1 by C integration IDT. 1 by C integration IDT. First write the KVL equation, then differentiate. Based on that, you can get these values. Okay. And now coming to the second one, Q factor is given. Q factor I didn't discuss in the previous slide. Q factor. I will come to Q factor, then I will go with the discussion. You see here, resonance, okay, in series resonance, parallel resonance, series resonance, parallel resonance. If it is RL circuit, series RL circuit, quality factor Q is XL by R. XL means omega L by R. In RC circuit, series RC circuit, Q value is XC by R. XC means 1 by omega CR. Okay. Quality factor in RL circuit, omega L by R. Quality factor in RC circuit, 1 by omega CR. Now, in the problem, they are giving Q value. They are giving Q value, amplitude of current, okay, in amperes at upper half frequency will be. So we have formula 1 by R root LC. This is formula 1 by R root LC at the upper half of the frequency. Okay. So higher cutoff frequency, lower cutoff frequency will be there. They are asking at higher cutoff frequency. So some formulas are available here. You can make use of it in RLC circuit. R value, L value, C value given, supply voltage also given, and quality factor also given. They are asking you what is the current at upper half frequency. So here all the values are available. R value unavailable. You can see R value unavailable. L and C are available. Q also available. Substitute, simplify, calculate R value. Then current is nothing but I naught by root 2. Current in the graph. This is a series RLC circuit. Series RLC circuit. Okay. So current in the graph, you can see current in the graph. Series RLC circuit. This is the graph I was telling. First graph, series RLC circuit. You can see the maximum value of I naught will take place at a resonant frequency. Maximum value of I naught will take place at resonant frequency. They are asking half power frequency. Half power frequency means 3 dB value. Half power frequency means 3 dB value, where lower cutoff frequency, higher cutoff frequency will come. Okay. And then at these places 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2. So I naught by root 2 is the formula. I naught by root 2 is the formula at the half power frequencies. Half power frequencies means lower cutoff, higher cutoff frequency. Okay. So first we have to calculate R value using the relation between quality factor and RLC in R series RLC circuit. This is the quality factor. This is RLC circuit. Previous formula what I showed you is RL circuit, RC circuit. In RL circuit, formula is omega L by R. In RC circuit, formula is 1 by omega CR. But this is RLC. Okay. This is RL. This is RC. Now I am going with RLC circuit. This is the formula. RLC circuit, this is the formula for quality factor. 1 by R root L by C. When RL given, you have to use previous formula. RC given, previous formula. This is RLC circuit. This is the new formula. Okay. From this R value can be calculated. Then put that R value here. I naught means V by R. I naught means V by R. V is supply voltage given. R value you will calculate here. Then put it in the formula. We will get current at the half power frequencies. Lower cutoff, higher cutoff frequencies. Okay. Now they are also asking some other. The formulas are there. This is parallel RLC circuit. Current and RLC. Parallel RLC circuit. This again series RLC circuit but AC input. AC input. Okay. So in series circuit, capacitor voltage equal to Q into supply voltage. Inductor voltage also equal to Q into supply voltage. But in parallel RLC circuit, current, okay, capacitor current is quality factor into supply current. Inductor current is quality factor into supply current. Okay. So those formulas you have to remember. Direct formula substitution everywhere you can proceed. Now in the parallel resonance circuit, we are going with parallel resonance circuit. Okay, this is the general formula for parallel resonance circuit. Okay, this is the series resonance circuit formula, and half power frequencies formula. Half power frequencies formula already I showed you in the previous first page itself. Now that lower cutoff, higher cutoff. Okay, when you uh, subtract the lower cutoff from the higher cutoff, bandwidth will come. Bandwidth in series RLC circuit is R by 2 pi L. Okay, any RLC circuit given, series RLC circuit given, calculate the bandwidth. You have to substitute this formula. Okay, so R by 2 pi L is bandwidth. If they are asking, what is the difference between higher cutoff and resonant frequency, then R by 4 pi L. Resonant frequency minus lower cutoff, then R by 4 pi L. Okay, this already we have seen XL by R, XC by R in series resonance circuit. In parallel circuit, this is a new formula. Parallel circuit, the quality factor. Earlier, what we have seen, three quality factor formulas. Earlier, we have seen three quality factor formulas. Okay, one is RL circuit, second one RC circuit, and then third one is RLC circuit. Okay, XL by R, XC by R, then 1 by R root L by C. These are RL, RC, RLC series. Now parallel circuit, the formula for quality factor is inverse. R by XL. Here XL by R means this is R by XL, R by XC. XL means omega L, XC means 1 by omega C. Okay. So that values you can use for finding quality factor in parallel resonance circuit. In parallel resonance circuit, inductor current or capacitor current, it is quality factor into supply current. Okay. But in series resonance circuit, the voltages will be equal to quality factor into supply voltage. Okay, voltage of the capacitor, voltage of the inductor equal to quality factor into supply voltage. So like this, all these are direct formulas. And in the parallel resonant, I have given you only one resonant frequency formula. One resonant frequency formula. It is 1 by 2 pi root LC square root of RL square minus L by C, RC square minus L by C. Okay. Now using that, any problem given, we will see series and parallel resonance, any problem given, how to calculate the values. Okay, so this is, you can observe R value, L value, C value, series, they are present in series. They are present in series. Okay, now calculation of what they are asking: R value given, XL value, XC value given, supply voltage DC, supply voltage 100 volts, AC is not there, sin omega t, cos omega t is not there. So it is supply voltage given, then voltage across resistor, voltage across inductor, voltage across capacitor, we have to calculate. Okay, so now resonance will happen when the impedance XL value equal to XC. This is the condition of resonance in series resonance circuit. In series resonance circuit, this is the condition of resonance. In parallel resonance circuit, this is the condition of resonance. These two formulas you have to remember. Any problem given, you can do it. Other than normal formula substitution. Normal formula substitution I have given you. Okay, I have given you many formulas. Normal formula substitution. Now, other than normal formula substitution, for calculating any value, these two formulas you have to remember. At resonance, XL equal to XC. Resonance condition. Series resonance condition is XL equal to XC. Parallel resonance condition is XL square by RL square plus XL square equal to XC square by RC square plus XC square. Okay, this is the condition, resonance condition in parallel resonance circuit. Okay, now I'm going with the series resonance circuit. They are asking voltage across resistor, voltage across inductor, voltage across capacitor. Okay, so now XL equal to XC is the condition for resonance in series resonance circuit. Now current is nothing but V by R. Supply voltage given 100, R value given 10. So this is the value for current in the circuit. Okay, now we have supply voltage, and because at resonance they are asking, so inductor and capacitor will act as short circuit, open circuit at resonance. So all the complete voltage will be dropped in the resistor only. So supply voltage equal to voltage across resistor. This is 100 volts directly. 100 volts directly. Now coming to voltage in capacitor, voltage in inductor, Q into supply voltage, Q into supply voltage, and VL will come on the positive y axis, VC will come on the negative y axis. Already I have shown you the diagrams for this. In series resonance, you can see VL will come on positive y-axis, VC will come on negative y-axis. So negative y-axis means minus 90, positive y-axis means plus 90. That is why Q into V, then angle also. Q into V, angle also we are taking for calculating the voltage in capacitor and inductor. Quality factor, it is XL by R or XC by R. Because this is RLC circuit, 1 by R root L by C will be 100% correct. 1 by R root L by C will be 100% correct for Q factor calculation. Okay. So this is one direct formula, using the resonance condition. Using the resonance condition, the formula. Okay. Now next one, I am going with, you can see this one, find the quality factor and resonant frequency in a series resonance circuit. L value given, R value given, C value given. Okay. L value, R value, C value given. You are supposed to calculate the resonant frequency and quality factor. So quality factor in RLC circuit series is 1 by R root L by C. Resonant frequency direct formula substitution 1 by 2 pi root LC. Compulsory take your calculator to the exam hall. Direct formula substitution. So now bandwidth is nothing but resonant frequency by quality factor. This is one new formula. Bandwidth equal to resonant frequency by quality factor. All these are direct formula substitution. So here I in the simple material I have showed you the problems. Now this graphs also, wherever graphs are applicable, once you see the series resonance circuit, draw all the graphs. Whatever graphs from this material, once or twice you practice in paper. Okay, once or twice you practice in paper. Whenever series resonance you see, draw all these graphs, draw all the formula, write all the formulas related to series resonance. Parallel resonance given, draw all the graphs, write all the formulas related to parallel resonance. You'll get few marks. Then go with the problem or whatever is there for solving. Okay. Now this is the graph for voltage means it is series resonance, current means it is parallel resonance. Okay, all these graphs are for series resonance. VR voltage, VC voltage, VL voltage. Okay, voltages at a resonant frequency, VR is maximum. At FC lower cutoff frequency, VC is maximum. FL higher cutoff frequency, VL is maximum. Okay, so this is what the graph related to series resonance circuit. Next, parallel resonance, I already told you 6 graphs are there. And the resonant frequency formula equation 1 is given, resonant frequency. Okay. And this is the circuit series resonance circuit. In the problems I have shown you, RLC will come in series. This is the diagram. Okay, instead of values you can put RLC. This is the series resonance circuit. If it is parallel resonance circuit, this is the standard diagram for parallel resonance circuit. Okay, based on this diagram only, in the formulas we have RL square minus L by C, RC square minus L by C. This third formula you remember please. Third formula is easy for remembering. Whenever RL is not there in the formula, RL place we can put 0. Whenever this capacitor is not there, in the place of capacitor we can put 0. Whenever RC is not there in the formula, RC place we can put 0. So this third three, this formula is the single formula, or in the previous material also I showed you that single formula. Okay, for parallel resonance, if you remember this formula, you can solve all the problems in parallel resonance. Okay. And the condition you can see in parallel resonance circuit, resonance condition, this also I showed you earlier. Numerator will come XL, denominator is XL square plus RL square. Numerator will come XC, denominator will come RC square plus XC square. Okay. XC means 1 by omega C, XL means 1 by omega into L. XC means 1 by omega C, XL means simple omega into L. L value, C value will be given, omega value will be given in the question. You substitute, simplify, equate. Okay, both of them equate, whichever unknown parameters you can calculate. Then these are the other conditions. When RL is minimum or RC is minimum, this is the condition. When RL is maximum, RC is maximum, this is the condition, based on which we can calculate whichever one unknown values are there. L and C given, RC is not given. L and C given, RL is not given. Then we can use these formulas to calculate that for the circuit. In the circuit, we have this many parameters. One or the other parameter not given, then we can use those formulas and calculate. Okay, this thing. This is the circuit already I showed you in the previous. When you take printout of this, you will understand what is there in every page. Repeatedly formulas will be there, you need not worry. This is series resonance. Already these formulas we have seen earlier. Okay, so these are the material. I already discussed these questions. This is parallel resonance. Parallel resonance. You see the circuit R, RL, RC. L, inductor. The resistance series to inductor is RL. Resistance series to capacitor is RC. Okay. C value, L value given. RC value, RL value given. Find the resonant frequency means direct formula substitution. Find the RL value, RC value means you can put root L by C is the value. Okay. In parallel resonant circuit. Parallel resonant circuit. If complex is given, then you have to operate this formula resonant, parallel resonant condition. Then you can, when you substitute, you can see only unknown is RC. You simplify this, RC value will come 6 ohms. Okay. So like this, direct formula substitution is there. All these are parallel resonance formulas. Circuit is given, how to directly apply the formula and do it. You can see these two are parallel, but this is in series. So we are taking Z equivalent is inductor plus parallel combination of resistor and capacitor. Based on that, we will operate and find the values. Okay. This is about resonance. 1 minute. I will just check. In parallel resonance, this is one model. RC is 0 here. RC is 0 here. Okay. This is one model. RC 0 here. I will send you this material also. RC 0 here. Here RL present, RC present. This is RL value, this is RC value. Okay. RL, RC both are present. LC both are present. So same every formula, that every question, that formula only applied. XC by XC square plus RC square, XL by XL square plus RL square. That formula you substitute, unknown parameter will come out. So here RC value 0 in that formula. RC value 0 in that formula. Remaining things you can just simplify and get it done. Okay. This is also one example for parallel resonance circuit. R value, L value, C value, all of them they are parallel. This is also one model of parallel resonance circuit. Okay. And all the diagrams what I showed you, it is here. This is the information on resonance topic.